Alright, we're doing an unboxing. Just got this one from the store, Hoover. Like brand new 2026. The windtunnel swivel pit. Looks to be really good. Unboxing knife. The box. Yahoo black box. Fox box. Thanks. Gosh. Oh, pretty good. That's good. Shark broke. There's a belt on it. Oh, this is nice buttons. Look at that. Well, separate. What's up? I'm taking these out first. Extension. Hooks. Cool. It's supposed to be like this is a steel pipe too. So like aluminum. I think feels aluminum. That's way better. Oh, I got the hand one. Here's the hose. Cool. Instructions. High suction, low suction. Cool. Clean. Quick start guide. Cheers. It's gonna come out now. Oh, I'm just gonna. This is the bag. See? This is the bag. Whoa. Remember, hit like and subscribe. What's that new one? I got like a new brush. Carry handle. Oh, what? Like, it says carry handle. Oh, man. That's good. How did this go? There's a scan for more information right here. All right. I don't want to put it the wrong way. Where's this? Where's the map? It says insert metal tube. It was click securely. Alright. This hose goes with this hose. Go. Where's this other hose? So this side goes here right now. See? Got it. Alright. This slides down, so it will slide there. Water release. This secures to a little slot right here. It says lock, and then oh, turn. Okay. You gotta give it, you gotta be gentle, you gotta have the fingers for it. Alright. This, guess what? Goes right here. No. Okay. Cool. Read more about it. Subscribe, hit like. Cool.